I am very particular with my drinks, and when I go to a coffee shop, I always ask for their sugar level. I love to drink ice blend cappuccino or ice blend mocha, but you know what? Not too sweet. So when I'm at home, I use my own simple recipe. So here it is.
Hello everyone, my name is Marilu and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my very favorite and great recipe. It is called cappuccino and mocha mix. It has only 4 ingredients to make it. So delicious, so creamy and rich in flavor. And guess what? No espresso or cappuccino machine is needed. So stay tuned and I'll be right back.
First, I have brown sugar here, then the coffee. I also add a little bit of cocoa powder for silkier effect, and of course, it adds more flavor. Okay, now we already have 3 ingredients here, so we add water, pour a little bit at a time, and about half of it. Now mix it for about 2 to 4 minutes. I use manual mixing. However, you can use an electric hand mixer for easy blending and less effort. By the way, with instant coffee, I usually choose caffeinated coffee. To me, it's more flavorful, but it's your call. Okay, here we go. After a couple of minutes, you can see it's well blended. Add the remaining water. Keep on mixing until you reach the textures that you want. Okay, mix it again, and it doesn't have to be too thick, just good enough to have all ingredients to incorporate. And it took me about 5 minutes to reach this silky result. Keep it onto a airtight container, refrigerate it, and then use it for less than a week for freshness. Okay, it's time for a drink. I can't wait to have it after this because it just, it smells so good and it's so tempting. When I'm in the mood for hot cappuccino, I heat my mix for about 10 seconds, steam my 2% milk close to, before a boiling point, and of course, I use frother to make the bubbles increase and double the value of the foam. You can add mix to your drink a little less or a little more. One single mix actually to my hot cappuccino is a little strong, so I add more milk into it. For a single mix, it's an ounce or equivalent to 2 tablespoons. Okay, let's talk about the top of your favorite topping. You can top your drinks with any of your favorite toppings, as what I already said, like cocoa powder. It is good when you put chocolate syrup into it. And of course, my very favorite topping, it's ice cream. Coffee ice cream for me. You can put any flavor like vanilla or chocolate flavor. And there's another way to do it, to freeze it for about 20 minutes, and yeah, you'll have an iced mocha. Enjoy! If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share it. Thanks and have a great day.